In the bustling rhythm of modern life, where technology incessantly demands our attention and societal pressures pull us in a myriad of directions, the concept of solitude often emerges as a sanctuary for the spiritual seeker. Solitude, often misunderstood as mere isolation, is a sacred space for introspection, self-discovery, and communion with the divine. Solitude plays a powerful and critical role on the path to spiritual enlightenment. It guides souls toward a deeper understanding of themselves and their spiritual journey. At its core, solitude is not an escape from the world, but a pilgrimage into the vast landscapes of the self. It is a deliberate choice to step away from external distractions, allowing the individual to turn inward and confront the raw truths of their existence. In solitude, the noise of the external world diminishes, creating a fertile ground for contemplation and connection to the spiritual realm. Spiritual growth is an elaborate fabric woven with the threads of self-awareness and self-realization. Solitude acts as the loom upon which this fabric takes form, providing the necessary stillness for the threads to intertwine and create a harmonious pattern. It is a conscious retreat, a deliberate pause, allowing the individual to shed the layers of societal conditioning and rediscover the essence of their being. In the hushed corridors of solitude, silence becomes a profound companion. The cacophony of daily life, the ceaseless chatter of the mind, subsides, unveiling a serene stillness. This silence is not an absence of sound, but a rich, fertile ground where the whispers of the soul become audible. Embrace moments of silence, for it is in this quietude that you can hear the subtle guidance of your inner selves. In the absence of external clamor, the soul speaks in its unique language, a language often drowned out by the hustle and bustle of daily existence. Solitude is the key that unlocks this chamber of wisdom within, offering a sacred space for communion with the deepest aspects of one's being. The journey into solitude is akin to peeling away layers of an onion, revealing the core essence with each gentle unraveling. In the solitude of self-reflection, individuals confront their fears, desires, and insecurities without the filters imposed by societal expectations. This unfiltered introspection is a powerful tool for spiritual growth, as it allows one to recognize and release the patterns and beliefs that no longer serve their higher purpose. The impact of this unraveling process is profound. It is a delicate dance requiring courage to face the shadows and vulnerability to embrace the light within. Solitude facilitates this dance, offering a safe and sacred space where individuals can shed the layers of their conditioned selves, emerging as authentic beings aligned with their spiritual truth. Creativity, the sacred force that flows through every soul, often finds its true expression in the sanctuary of solitude. In the absence of external expectations and judgments, the mind is free to explore uncharted territories, and the spirit is liberated to dance with the muses of inspiration. Solitude becomes the canvas upon which the brush of creativity paints vibrant strokes of self-expression. When you embrace moments of solitude, you witness the birth of artistic endeavors, literary masterpieces, and innovative ideas. It is in these quiet moments that the fertile ground of the mind is tilled, allowing the seeds of creativity to take root and blossom. Solitude, therefore, is not a barren landscape, but a lush garden where the seeds of inspiration flourish in the absence of external interference. In the hustle of everyday life, the mind often races ahead, preoccupied with future uncertainties or tethered to past regrets. Solitude, with its gentle embrace, becomes a sacred pause, inviting individuals to dwell fully in the present moment. The practice of mindfulness and presence, cultivated in solitude, is a gateway to spiritual awakening. Mindfulness exercises in solitude encourages you to anchor yourself in the present. In these moments, the mind transcends the constraints of time, and the individual becomes attuned to the subtle nuances of existence. Solitude, therefore, is not a retreat from life, but a profound engagement with the richness of the present, where the divine essence of each moment is unveiled. Solitude is the sacred bridge that connects the individual with the divine source. In the quietude of aloneness, spiritual seekers can attune themselves to the cosmic vibrations, sensing the underlying unity that binds all of creation. It is in solitude that the individual transcends the egoic self and merges with the cosmic consciousness, experiencing a profound sense of interconnectedness. Solitude is important in fostering a direct connection with the divine. It is in these moments of stillness that individuals can receive guidance, insights, and revelations from the spiritual realms. Solitude becomes a portal to the divine, where the individual can commune with higher consciousness and draw inspiration from the infinite wisdom that permeates the universe. In the realm of mental health, solitude emerges as a potent healer. In the quiet cocoon of aloneness, individuals can tend to the wounds of the psyche with gentle compassion. Solitude is not a prescription for isolation, but a remedy for the soul, offering a space where emotional scars can be acknowledged, embraced, and ultimately healed. The effects of solitude on individuals struggling with anxiety, depression, and trauma are significantly transformative. In the solitude of self-care, individuals learn to befriend their emotions, unraveling the knots of pain and allowing the healing balm of self-love to soothe their wounded spirits. Solitude, therefore, is not an escape from emotional challenges, but a sacred refuge where the soul can find solace and renewal. In a world that often glorifies constant connectivity and extroversion, the idea of embracing solitude may seem counterintuitive. However, I advocate for the integration of solitude into daily life, not as a rare retreat, but as a regular practice. Carve out moments of solitude amidst your busy schedules and witness the gradual transformation of your lives. Solitude should become a daily ritual, a sacred pause where you can recalibrate your energies, reconnect with your inner selves, and realign with your spiritual path. It is not a withdrawal from life, but a conscious engagement with the self, fostering a sense of balance and harmony in the midst of external chaos. In the journey of spiritual growth, solitude emerges as a vibrant thread, weaving its way through the intricate patterns of self-discovery and communion with the divine. It is not a withdrawal from life, but a conscious choice to turn inward, unravel the layers of conditioned selfhood, and dance with the whispers of the soul. Solitude is the sanctuary where silence becomes a sacred language, creativity blossoms, mindfulness takes root, and healing gently unfolds. I encourage you to embrace solitude not as an escape, but as a powerful tool for self-realization and spiritual evolution. As we embrace the transformative power of solitude, may this journey resonate within your soul. If these insights have sparked a flame within you, let it ripple into the world. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to join our community of seekers. Together, let's illuminate the path to self-discovery. Until our paths align again, stay mindful, stay connected.